Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyanforexx. Are you planning to start forex trading in 2025? So guys, you are at the right place because in this video I will be giving you the complete detailed information how can you start forex trading in 2025. Also guys, I will be telling you the best broker you can choose, how can you register and complete your KYC. Third thing, what are the deposit and withdrawal method. Also, how can you log in your MT5 account and start your forex trading? Also, guys, a very important update. If you are if you are a beginner and you want to get signals for your forex journey, then I provide forex trading signals on my Telegram and also all the important updates regarding related to forex trading. So guys, make sure you have joined my Telegram community, and also guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. So let's go into the video. Okay traders, so the Exness registration link you will find in the description. You can go and start your registration from there. First of all, you have to click on the link and tap on register. Then you have to choose your country. In the next step, you have to enter your email address. Now choose a password of your own. Now I will tell you how can you complete your KYC. So first of all, when you see the dashboard in the top right corner of the screen below, here you will see a option of profile. Click on that. Now here you will get a option of complete profile. Just click on that and they will ask some basic questions like verifying your email and uploading your documents. So let's start. First, we will verify your email address. So here you will get an option of email verification. You will get a OTP. You just need to copy paste it and paste it on your XNS application. After that, you have to verify your phone number. After you are done with your phone number verification, here you have to fill up some basic details like your first name, your last name, your date of birth, then country of birth, and your gender, along with your religion and your address. Now, in the next step, here you will get some basic questions regarding related to trading. So you just have to answer these 15 to 20 questions, or else you can just choose any random options and it's done. So I'm just selecting any random answers for these questions, because if you don't want to waste your time in reading all these questions, then it's fine. You can um, do any click any random answers. That's it. Okay, the last step is of verification of your ID card, of your any identity, national identity card. So you can select any of them following, like your passport, your driving license, your Aadhaar card, or your voter ID, or your PAN card. So if you select Aadhaar card, you have to make sure that you are uploading these images very properly, very clear, and it should be in a high good quality, and also all four corners should be seen very visibly. It should be visible. Now here you have to just upload it. You just have to click on this app. Now you just have to choose any of the option or camera or media picker. If you have your document saved in your gallery, just select media picker and go and just select your documents from there, and it will automatically be submitted. Now you just need to submit your documents. Okay, so the submission of your documents is completed. It will take 3 to 7 minutes, or it might also take 24 hours in special cases. First of all, we will learn how to open a real account. So you will see here an option of this arrow. You have to click on that. Now you will have to click on this plus icon. Then you will get a option of two which says real account or a demo account. So click on real account, then continue standard. You will get many options to choose, but remember to choose standard because the minimum deposit here is only $10, so you can start with small amount also. And if you want a bigger amount but it with a less deposit, then you can choose a centered account which has a minimum deposit of 10 US dollars. So let's open a standard account. Keep We can keep the leverage as we want. If you want to keep as unlimited, just choose it. Then you just give your uh, name. You just give your account as a nickname. After that, you have to create a trading password which you need to remember. Look, within a minute we have created an account. Now I will tell you the different method of depositing. So first of all, click on deposit. Now when you scroll down, you will see plenty of options for depositing your fund. So if you want to use any crypto exchange, then you can go and choose ERC20 or TRC20. If you're interested in bank transfer, you just have to click on UPI ID. Now you have to enter the amount. So suppose you want to deposit 10,000. So just put 10,000, and below you will be seeing how much USDT you are depositing. So suppose like if you want to deposit 20,000, so let's see, it will be 290, approx 220 US dollars. So continue. Now you have to copy paste your UPI ID. Next step will be confirmation. Now in the next step you just need to approve it. So traders, once your deposit is completed, now I will teach you how you can open your account on MT5, like how you can log in your MT5 account. So first of all, you have to click on details. Now go to settings. Below you will receive a server and a login ID. You just need to click on that and copy it. Now when you open your MT5, you have to click on these three lines. Then you have to click on this plus icon here, copy paste the server. Now again go back to your Exness account and copy your login ID. And after that you have to enter the password completely open. Now here you will see different types of accounts. So you have to go to this code. Here you have to click on this plus icon, and if you want to trade in gold, so you have to search it XAU USD. Here you got your option, click on this and it's added. Now when you will see, you'll scroll below, you will see this XAU USD. Click on that and I will tell you how can you execute your trades. So as we can see, gold is bullish right now, so we will take a trade in gold for buy. So you will see a option of this red and blue color icon. You have to click on that. Here you will get two options, sell and buy. So let's take a trade of 0.05. Guys, if you want to understand lot size, I will tell you in the next video how can you calculate your lot size according to your balance of your account. So I have selected 0.5, but if you have account balance of $100 or $200, then guys, remember to trade only with 0.01 lot size. Okay, now if you want to take sell in gold, just click on sell, otherwise click on buy. So for the first, you have to click this terms and conditions, and then again click on buy, and here my trade executed. Now I will teach you how can you apply SL and TP. So there are two simple methods. First of all, manually. So first of all, you have to see where you want to keep your SL. So if you see, if I want to keep my SL here below this level, so just note this down, 3304. Then scroll it over here. You will see an option of this pencil icon. Click on that. We remember the SL3304 point 796. Done. See, it was so simple. Now if you click here, you will see that my $20 SS is applied. So when the price comes below this level, it will automatically, my trade will close. Now I will tell you how can you apply TP. Again, the same option. You have to look here, like if I want to keep my TP above this level, so I will note down the TP 3314. Click on same thing which I told you, 3314.764. I'm so sorry. 3314.76. Done. So my $30 TP is applied over here. Now I will show you how can you do it manually. Manually just in few seconds. So if we take a trade again in gold for sell, so first of all you have to click on this red line. So if it's sell, here you will get below two options, TP and SL. So click on TP. Here you will see, get your dial, and if I want to keep my TP above this level, so just keep it over here. Now select SL. If I want to keep my SL above this level, so I will do it like this and just modify. Look, again for sell also my TP is done, and for buy also my TP and SL is done. Now if you want to close your uh, if you want to close your this buy or sell orders, there are two methods. So first of all, you will see an option of this three dots. Click on that. Here you will get two options: close all positions or close the losing positions. Or else, if you want to do it manually, just slide it down. Just choose this option. You will see here an option of close with minus or plus 66 0.66 or anything. So just close it. It's done. Now here from here, if you want to close all positions. It's done. So the total all, if you want to see your trade history, click on history, and here you will see the balance deposited and the account, how much ever you have lost. And if you want to see how much loss you have done in 3 months, click on 3 months, click on 1 month, last month, or today. So today the loss is total of um, approximately $9. So you can do it like this. And guys, if you face any problem, if you want videos related to other details, so I will be making it very soon. So guys, that's it for today's video, and this was the first part of this course, forex trading course. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also join my Telegram community for regular updates, because I will be uploading basic to advanced forex trading.